Welcome everyone in today's video of how to log in.
Do you want to get logged in IOB Bank? For instance, IOB means Indian Overseas Bank. So if you are searching for that video, just watch this entire video because this is what this tutorial is for. Go to your browser and search for the keyword Indian Overseas Bank login. There you can see many search results related to IOB. Click on the first link that will redirect you to the login page of IOB, and that's it. You can see you have to fill the form in order to log in. You have to fill login ID and you have to fill the password over there. Make sure your password is correct. You have to fill the password of your account and then you have to write the CAPTCHA on the screen. In my case, there is CAPTCHA 237 MOG, and simply click on this login button. And if all the credentials are correct, you'll be logged in this bank.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find more helpful videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below.